Okay, good morning class. How are you all today? I hope you all are in fine condition. Okay, today as usual I will teach you a new topic. Before that, I want you all to guess what we're going to learn today. Okay, don't be afraid. I'll give you a video clip. I'll play the video clip and I want you to watch the video clip carefully, because from the video clip you can guess what we're going to learn today. Are you all ready? Can we start now? Okay, watch the video clip carefully.
We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have four sides. I'm a square, I'm a square. I'm a circle, I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I'm a circle, round and round. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a rectangle, rectangle, like a really long square. I have four sides. I'm a rectangle, rectangle. I'm a star in the sky, so far. I have five pointy arms. I'm a star, I'm a star. I'm a heart, I'm a heart. I'm so curvy and so smart. I'm a really lovely shape. I'm a heart, I'm a heart. I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond. You can see me on a ring. I'm so shiny and so bright. I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. We are shapes.
Okay, now sing together.
You can see us everywhere. I'm a square,
Come on class, sing
I'm a
together.
square. You can see me everywhere. I have four sides. I'm a square, I'm a square. I'm a circle, I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I'm a circle, round and round. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a rectangle, rectangle, like a really long square. I have four sides. I'm a rectangle, rectangle. I'm a star in the sky, so far. I have five pointy arms. I'm a star, I'm a star. I'm a heart, I'm a heart. I'm so curvy and so smart. I'm a really lovely shape. I'm a heart, I'm a heart. I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond. You can see me on a ring. I'm so shiny and so bright. I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. We are shapes.
Okay, very good. Now, can you all guess what we're going to learn today? Yeah, I think your guess is right. We are going to learn about two-dimensional shapes. Okay, say with me. We're going to learn about two-dimensional shapes. But I will focus on rectangle and square for our today's lesson. All of you ready? to continue with our lesson? Okay, good. Come, let us go. From the song clip, we know that rectangle is a two-dimensional shape with 4 sides and 2 parallel sides are equal, while square is a 4-sided two-dimensional shapes and all the sides are equal in length. Are you all clear? Okay. Now, you going to construct your own square and rectangle. We're going to use a special mathematical software called GSP. Okay. Select this icon from your desktop. Okay. After you click the icon, okay, you will have the geometer sketchpad on your desktop now. Okay, you're already introduced with this software before this, so I'm sure you know all the points tools and the function of these buttons. Okay, now to construct a square, first of all, you need to have a grid. So, go to the graph button, click on the graph and then go to show grid. Before that, make sure you select a square grid. Okay, then go to graph again, select the point snap points. This will make sure that your graph won't change if you drag it anywhere. Clear? Okay, now we're going to construct a square. First of all, how many sides do a square have? Yeah, you are right. Square have 4 sides. So, go to the point tool and select point. Put any 4 points on the grid. Okay. If it's a square, all the sides must be equal. So when you plot the first point and you hop 3 times, make sure you hop again 3 times before you plot another point, because this is a square. After you plot the point, go to the line tool. Select the line. Put on the line. When you saw the blue dot there, drag your arrow. You'll have a straight line. That's easy. Then put again your arrow, click it and drag to the another point. Again, put the arrow and click it to the another side. Again, the same step. Click the point, drag along the line. Yeah, you already got your square. Wow, it's so simple to construct a square using GSP. So now we're going to label the square because we need to give name for all the points. Are you ready? Okay, now select the point, right click and then label point. Okay, what are you going to label your point? Okay, let's say we label it as A and then say OK. But the font is too small, isn't it? So we're going to make it bigger. Go to click style and then okay, let's say we make it 18. So it is big enough for us to see. Yeah, it's big enough to see, and drag the point and put it aside. Repeat the same step for the next point. Click on the point, right click, label point, style, Okay, make the font end as 18 and OK. Okay, again. Yeah, we got the two labels here. Now repeat the same steps again. Click on the point, show label, and it's already showing. See, but we need to make it bigger. Go to style, change the font size to 18. Click OK. OK. You'll have your point C here. Then we're going to label last point. Okay, as same step. Go to the point, click the point, make sure it is highlighted, and then click right click, show label again. Yeah, it's D, but we need to make it bigger. So go to the font, click it 18 here. Okay, again. So you already have a beautiful cute square here. Okay, now I want you all to construct your own square. I will give you time. Follow the simple instruction that I have taught you just now and construct your own square. Ready? Okay. Okay, students, have you all construct your own square? The steps are easy, isn't it? Okay, now we're going to construct a rectangle using the same steps. But before that, I'm going to ask you, is square and rectangle are same? Yeah, you are correct. Square and rectangle are different two-dimensional shapes. Both rectangle and square have 4 sides, but square has 4 equal sides, but rectangle has 2 equal parallel sides. Okay, the two opposite sides of rectangle are same. Now, considering the point that I told you now, we are going to construct a rectangle. Okay, as usual, go to the point tool, select the point. Okay, let's say I'm going to put the point here. Okay, 1 and go 2, 3 somewhere here, and 4. Okay, we already plot 4 points. Now we're going to select the straight edge tool. As usual, okay, wait until the blue dot came and then just drag to the another point. Click again, drag again, click, drag, click and drag. Here you are. Your rectangle are ready. It's very easy, isn't it? Okay, now we're going to label all the 4 points. As usual, highlight the point, show label. It's E, automatically showing E, because we already used A, B, C, D here. So we're going to start with E. And then highlight this point, show label. It's F. And then this one, same, show label. It's G. And this one, same, show label. It's H. So now we have constructed a square and a rectangle. You already construct a square on your own. Now I'm giving you time to construct your own rectangle now. Okay, student, you already construct a square and a rectangle, but your square and rectangle is not very attractive. So what we going to do to make it attractive? Yeah, you are right. We have to give them some colors. Okay, now how to color your square and your rectangle? It's very easy. Okay, just select all the points in your square. You already select? Make sure all the 4 points are highlighted. And then go to construct. Did you see the quadrilateral interior here? Yeah, you're right. Click on it. You see? Wow! Your square is now a shiny, yellow, cute square. You're going to repeat the same step to color your rectangle. Okay, come. Join with teacher. Select the point. Okay, you already highlighted all your 4 points. Go to construct. Quadrilateral interior. Again yellow? No, you're going to change the color, isn't it? Okay, then right click on the picture. You've got so many colors here. You may choose whatever color you want. Okay, let's say I select a blue color. Wow, you have your cute yellow square and a striking blue rectangle. It's very cute and very easy, isn't it? Now, teacher wants you all to color your square and rectangle. Okay, you already color your shapes? Very good. Now, we are going to learn another new key concept for today. Okay, what is that? Okay, I'll let you know. Yeah, we're going to explore the concept of perimeter. Perimeter, what is that? Okay, let me tell you. Perimeter is when we calculate the length of a shape by walking around it. Understand? If we started to walk from A, B, C, D and again to A, how to calculate perimeter? Okay, students, we are only going to use addition or plus to find the perimeter. Okay? Now, go back to our geometer sketch pad again. Okay, we already have 2 shapes here. We're going to calculate the perimeter of square and the rectangle. Okay, I told you just now that perimeter is when we walk around. Okay, come, walk with me from A. 1, 2, 3. You already reached B. And then from B, you have to reach C. And then from C, you have to reach D. Is it called a complete? No, because you need to go back to the point where you started your journey. So, from D, you have to go back to A. But we need to know the length of the sides, isn't it? How we can know the length? Are you going to calculate the small squares here? You may do so, but I'll teach you a different way to measure the length from A to B. Are you ready? Okay. Now, just click on the line. You see, there is a red line along the line. Okay, after you click the line, go to measure. Click on length. Yeah, you got the answer. But what is that? After the decimal, there are 2 more numbers. We don't want the answer like that, isn't it? So, to change it to 1 decimal place, go to Edit, select Preferences. You have to change all into units. Click OK. Then, you highlight the point. You just delete it. Then try to measure again. Okay, measure the length. Yeah, you got 3 centimeter. Now try to measure the length on B. Measure length. You got another 3, and then click on C and D. Measure length. And another A and D. Measure length. Okay, you got all the length of the sides. Now, perimeter is when you walk around. So, I already told you that to find the perimeter, you have to use plus or addition. So, how are we going to do this using our GSP? Again, just click, highlight all the length, and then go to measure, calculate. Okay? Click the first thing. It's appear there. Yeah. Then select the plus sign here. Again, click it. Plus. Choose the next. Plus. And then choose the last one. After you select all the 4, click OK. Wow! You got your perimeter already. It's 12 centimeter. You also can use your mental calculation and calculate. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 9 plus 3 is 12. Yeah, you're right. You already got your perimeter. It's very, very easy, isn't it? Okay, just now you already construct your own square. Now, I want you all to find the perimeter of the square that you have constructed. I'll give you time to find the perimeter. Okay class. Now, using the same step, we're going to find the perimeter of this blue rectangle. As I told you earlier, we have to find all the we have to find all the length of these 4 sides rectangle. Now, click on the EF line, go to measure and length. That's it. You have your length of EF. Repeat the same step to find the length. Okay, then the length of GH. And then lastly, the length of EH. Now measure the length of EH. Same step. Yeah, you already got all the length of this rectangle. Okay, we already have the length of the 4 sides. What is next? Yeah, you are right. Select all the 4 sides. Go to measure. Select calculate. You got your new calculation here. As usual, select and plus. Select and plus. Select and plus. Select. That's it. You already select all the 4 sides. Then click OK. Yeah, you got the perimeter of your rectangle. Now, okay, let us check whether this answer is correct or not using our mental calculation again. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Yeah, you're correct. Now, I'm giving you time to calculate the perimeter of the rectangle that you have constructed. Your time starts now. Okay, you all did an excellent job. We already construct a square and find the perimeter of the square. And we already construct a rectangle and find the perimeter of the rectangle. What's next? Yeah, you are right. You're going to do an exercise by yourself. Do it yourself. In this section, I'll give you two shapes. Okay? Your task is to calculate the perimeter of given shape. You have to construct the shape below in sketch pads and calculate the perimeter. You all clear with the instruction? Actually, you need to do two tasks here. First of all, you need to construct the shape in sketch pad, and then only you need to calculate the perimeter. And please notice here, they already give you the length and breadth of the shape. Okay, I'm going to ask you, by looking at the length and the breadth of the shape, what is this shape? Is this a rectangle? Yeah, you are correct. This is not a rectangle. This is a square because the length and the breadth are equal. It means all the four sides are equal. And this is a rectangle. They already give you the length as 17 and the breadth as 10. Now, can you open your own new sketch pad and construct the shape and then find the perimeter? Are you all ready? But are you going to lose this work? No, we're going to save it. Then, go to the file, select document option. Okay, click add page, blank page. You already got your new page. Click OK. Then, what are you going to do? Yeah, you're correct. Going to go to graph, select grid form, square grids, and then as usual, you have to snap points and then start construct. Okay, I give you time to construct. Okay, student, I hope you already construct your square. Okay, now mind, come, let's construct with me. You know, the length is 7 centimeters. So, you have to hold 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put a point here. And then again, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I correct? Okay, let's come together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's here. And then again, here. Okay. After you plot the point, as usual, you have to connect all the. Don't worry, the points are on the grid. It won't affect your perimeter. And then after you construct, select the point, show label, select the point, show label, select the point, show label, select the point, and show label. Then as usual, you have to select the line, go to measure, length. Did you see? Your points are in decimal places. So go to edit. Select the preferences, change all to units. Okay, then you start measuring again. Yeah, you got the length is 7. Breadth is 7. The length is 7. Now we're going to calculate the perimeter. Measure, calculate. You have to select one by one and press the plus sign. All the 4 lengths are selected. Just click OK. You already got your perimeter. Okay, by the same way, you can get the perimeter for the rectangle too. Okay, student, I'm sure that for the second question, you will able to get the same shape as I have here. Okay, and try to measure the length. Okay, try to measure the length and then calculate the perimeter as I taught you. The perimeter that you should get is 54 centimeter. Okay, that's good. It means we have covered 2 new concepts today. One is how to construct a square and a rectangle, and then you also thought on how to calculate the perimeter of the shapes using GSP. So, well done class, we have covered the topic for today. But before that, before teacher ends the lesson for today, I'm going to ask you a few rapid questions. Are you all ready? Are you all with me? Okay, now, what is the topic that we learned today? Yeah, you are right. We learned about 2-dimensional shapes. And what are the 2 shapes that we particularly learned today? We learned about rectangle and square. Okay, now what is the software that we use to construct the rectangle and square? Yeah, you are correct. We used Geometer Sketchpad to construct the shape. Well done class. We have done a very good job for our today's lesson. Hope you will continue explore the properties of 2-dimensional shapes, especially rectangle and squares using GSP. That's all for today. Till see you on the next lesson. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.